poppin', guys? It's your man Ricky David, and I'm back at it again, you guys. So right now, as you can see, we're doing multiple jogger sets right now. So I'm doing a dark heather gray and also solid blacks, you guys already know. But we about to get real creative right now. So enough talking. I got them all prepped up, as you can see, as you can tell. And then we're gonna do the hoodies next. These are the pants, these joggers. So you guys already know how it is. Let's get it. Initially got done with these, man, fire jogger sets right here. The other one's actually going right now, which is the black ones. But right now I'm gonna bag up, ship out these bad boys right here, these jogger sets. Man, it's fire. But we're gonna go ahead and get all the stuff that we need off the hoodies, and we're gonna fold, and then when we're done, we're gonna ship them up. You guys already know how it is. Make sure you guys leave a comment, like this video, and make sure always hit that subscribe button. You guys already know, right here, right below, and we're gonna get it. So let's get it.